What's up, YouTube? It's Jay here, and I have a tutorial or a review or a opening with the Prismacolor Premier illustration markers. I decided to buy these because I've been doing this big project of me and this Dragon Ball Z picture right here that you might see in the camera view. I did my little own thing right here. This is Goku, Super Saiyan God, I believe. That is Sharon. It's kind of like a Sharon I kind of made up, or that I've seen on the internet. You know, I kind of got bits and pieces of what a dragon I would like to look like. You have Boo here, the fat one, and then we have the monkey, or the original Super Saiyan, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really affiliated into Dragon Ball Z. I watched like the first episode, but I just recently wanted to do this big picture. I can show you like the rest of it too. Might as well. You have that. You have Beerus, and then you have Dende, and then you have Boma. They Boma or Chi-Chi, actually. Sorry, Chi-Chi, right there. But today we're kind of focusing on the monkey. Today I'm just going to be showing you these markers though. All right. Okay, so let's get into this workshop. That's what I'm gonna call it, workshops. Jay's workshop video tutorials and reviews. Always have a scrap book of paper. Always. All right, so let's open these bad boys. I have not used them yet. Don't know what they do. I've had the first, this one, these three recently. The 0.5, the 005 kind of dried up on me, and I lost my 03, so I'm stuck with my 05. And I chose to buy these because it comes with the variations of colors, and the other packages that came with it were like, they were very expensive, or I didn't want them. So the first marker we have is 005. Here it is. So we're gonna just let's see, 005. My handwriting sucks, so that's the handwriting. I'm gonna draw some circles, you know, some shading right here, some cross hatching, you would say. Not a really good shader, so don't get on my shading. That's supposed to be a spear. Then you have 03 marker, which is another step up. 03, let's do cubes, squares, I meant, with some circles. So our first layer. Then we go with the other layer, gets a little bit darker. Then your layer 3 will be the darkest. You know, I try to do my layering with pins, kind of sort of in like 3 layers. You can do more, but you just don't want the paper to be soggy, because you will put a hole through the paper, and we don't want holy paper. Then we have 05, which I do have somewhere. I have 05. Let's do some diamonds, you know. For all the ladies named Diamond out there, how are you? And we're gonna do some polka dots. You know, that's shading for polka dots. The first layer. Second layer, you got a little heavier. And the last layer will be, you know, when you want to go to our darker side of the, see how dark that is? I think it's called stippling. That's what it's called. I was never good at it, as you can see. All right. Then we have 0.8, which is the biggest of the pointy ends, I believe. And it also has like a little, the diagram, I guess. I don't know. Diagram. All right, and let's do, what's another circle? What's another shape? All right, hold on, let me think. Thinking right now. Rectangle, which is also a square, but long. And what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna do some just regular shading. Regular shading. Sorry about the police noise in the background. The police outside. Police outside. Police outside. All right, that's 0.8. And then we have C, which is the chiseled in, or I don't know why I wrote the CH. You can get lines like that, or you can do some Sharpies, or you can do some squaries, or you can do the Nike thing. Kind of, sort of. Ooh, that looks like a monster though. Like a. Okay, let me give it some ears. You know, those will be ears. You know, I gotta put it like that. Give some hair. You know, some hair a little bit. Okay. So then we're gonna use the B, which is for brush, I believe, the black brush. We're gonna give it some curves. You know, the B is for curves. But C should be for curves because C has a C. His curves have C. I don't know. Forget it. All right. Give it a little chin line, you know. He's an alien, so he needs bumps. This could be really good for dragon scales a little bit, or fish scales, or even if you want to do Chinese art, Chinese lettering, Mandarin. You know, like that. That's hey. As my fiance would say, this is I love you in sign language. Love you, babe. All right, that is B. You can do like little shapes. This could be really good for the beard of any man's hair or eyelashes for like a cartoon lady. This is really good. I like this. Or it can be teeth. Oh, I really love this. Oh, look at the teeth there. Oh, look at those. That's gonna be a good monster right there. Oh yeah. Okay, I see what you did there. Or it could be a fox though. It could be a fox. Okay, I'm gonna make a fox. I love foxes. All right, there we go. That's a fox. Fox. Ha ha. So. All right, then we have B for the brown. Maybe B for brown. I'm not sure. A brown brush. Give the fox a little, you know, some color. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I like it. Give them color, you know. Some cross hatching up top. Some color right there. Okay. Yeah, like that. Now he's a masked fox. He's in disguise. You don't see him, do you? You don't see him, huh? This is my new character. Call him Foxy. The brown fox. We love brown foxes. And the last but not least, 0.5 with the brown. Ooh, 005, sorry. Here we are. And then, you know, it's just like the top one. Just like the top one. All right. So now that I gave you kind of a tutorial or a preview of what these look like, I'm going to show you how you might use these in a drawing. And so that's when we're going to go back to my Dragon Ball Z. My Dragon Ball Z. My Dragon Ball Z, why are you dirty? All right, so I'm gonna kind of clean this up and put it in fast view, fast forwarding, whatever you call it, and clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna talk later. Well, now I have here the 05, the fine line marker. And I'm just gonna trace over everything basically that's of this guy. So, any tips I can give you for this marker is go slow. Going slow will help you with, you know, getting the correct lines and getting the correct tracings. And if you do have any lines that are sharp, like this line right here, you know, I wouldn't do that exactly because I didn't get that curve I wanted, but you can always go in and just go dark a little bit and just, you know, reach back, you know, fix it up a little bit. You can also darken this a little bit, his nose, but I'm not really trying to go for that. Look at his nose. I am going to jump at it, so.
I like to play.
All right, so I finished this outlining of the monkey, the manky. So now you really just wait for like a couple of minutes, or you can just air blow it, or, you know, fan it off and just go through with your, you know, eraser. I'm going to go through and erase it, you know, erase some of the stuff, the pencil markings, because you don't need them no more. And when you're drawing with any Prismacolor marker or Prismacolor crayons, but the pencils, Crayola pencils, they tend to, the waxy material tends to smudge with the pencil and makes it look like a darker color. And as you see, sorry if I move the paper, that the black eraser, my tongue get twisted so many times. I don't understand how I can do videos. That is it. That is really the video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification. Make sure you share this video. And also, I will see you in the next video. Peace.